Hello guys, welcome to day 5 of 100 days of ML. So in the last video we studied about linear regression and its intuition. So in this video we will be going to look at how to implement the linear regression we in Python. We have with us the some Kaggle datasets, that's like insurance. I will put the dataset in the description box so you can download that, and also I will put a link to GitHub to this Jupyter notebook so you can play with it and change the variables and do some more experiment. So let's start with the implementation. So I have this code ready with me. So the first step, as you know, is like importing the libraries that we want to use while implementing this. So first is like pandas and numpy. Pandas is basically to read and write the stuff. Matplotlib to plot the things. I will show you why we need. We are also doing the going to import the label encoder, so I will tell you why we are doing this, and train test split for training and testing splitting, and linear regression to implement the linear regression, and R2 score for checking the model score. Okay, so first step is basically to read the data set into some variable that's we call it data, and let's just take a look at the head of the data, like how it looks like. So it's like looking, we have age, sex, BMI, children, number of children, is he or she a smoker or not, the reason, and the charges. So basically the main thing here is to predict the charges given all these things, like how much insurance should we charge. So this is the basic thing. So if you see, we have the sub some three the we called it as categorical variables, which is not numerical. So how, so as we know, so one thing you should know before implementing any model is like the models cannot take the categorical variable as input, so we have to actually convert them into some numerical thing. So that's called encoding. So we will, there are multiple types of encoding, but here we will use label encoding. So label encoding basically means you will take the distinct value of that feature, and you will just map it to 0, 1, 2, 3, something like that. Okay, so this is like, so we need to first convert this into labels, I mean the numerical values. For that, what we'll do, we will first create the instance of each label encoder, like for changing the each, like for changing each column we need to make the instance, and then just fit and transform those functions. Okay, so we will make a new column, sex underscore n. So n basically means numerical. Similarly for reason and smoker. So we will first do the create the instance, and then we will fit and transform. Fit and transform means like fit those columns into encoding and transform it as well. So we will do it for all the three encoding. So why we are in you will ask why we are doing it for all three, but with a different set, because maybe in the set of prediction you may to, like, whenever you are putting this model in a live thing, so there can be some new instance coming to you, so you need to actually convert that into numerical, like 0, 1, 2, 3, but it should be the same what you did in the training. So that's why we are saving it to some different instances. So after this cell we will have the encoding value with us. So let's just see. So it's, if you see, the sex and region and smoker is also there, it is numerical. So so as we are doing linear regression, so it's multiple linear regression basically, because we have multiple independent features with us. But can we, the question is like, can we take all the features with us and just fit the thing, or we should like choose? So there is one technique, we will just see the correlation, and if there is more correlation we will take those features, if there is less correlation we will not take those features. So So you can do this by data.core and just plot that. So if you see this is correlation. So we want to see how the charges is correlated with other feature. So if you see this, this is the one, the region is the one which is not correlated with charges. It's like very less. Others are like okay to have it with us. So what we'll do is we will ignore region and we will take all other features as input and we will try to fit the model. So we will take similar, we will not take region and take all the other things and y as charges. So we will do train test split with 33% as a size of test and 67% as our in the training set. So we will just fit the thing model and we will try to predict on test data set. So we will store into YPRED. So now the main question is, we have prediction with us, we have model with us, but the question here is how can we check if our model is good or bad. So remember we use on day 3 metric using classification, but it's a regression problem if you see. So how to check? So basically there is something called R square. So R square basically says, R2 score basically says how much it's between 0 to 1, and it will say how much variance is explained by model if there is in Y and corresponding to X. So that's it's basically, you can also say how our model is performing between 0 to 1. So the if you see the score, it is coming at 76%. So that's pretty much decent, like we can rely on that. So here is how you implement the linear regression in Python. So you can do it with other data set as well. The same technique, the technique will be same. Read, encode, choose the features, fit it and predict it. Okay, the main step is like encoding and choosing the right features. So you can what you can do is you can do an exercise. You can just take like 3 features, 4 features, 1 feature, 2 feature, or maybe take all features and try to see what the score. So that means like you can actually learn. So this is day 5. So let's meet on day 6. Okay, till then, goodbye, see you.